everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be revealing our April mystery kit. I'm super excited to hear what you all think of it. As always, Dawn did an amazing job with the design. Before I show you though, I do want to let you know that spots are open now for our subscription for the mystery kit. If you have not subscribed and would like to receive next month's mystery, make sure to click the link below to visit our website and check out the details of the listing. These sticker kits are exclusive to the mystery kit, so you will not see them as overstock or anything else like that in our shop. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So for our mystery subscription, there are 3 different versions that you can choose from. We have the standard mystery kit, the decorative mystery kit, and the journal mystery kit. First, I'm going to show you the standard. As you can see, the colors for April are a lovely blush and blue, and the foil is rose gold. So first, let's look at the add-on sheet. This is on washi sticker paper. We have a couple of watercolor swatches on here. We have 4 dividers, and it looks like it's kind of like a tied knot. There's a little scene over here of like a lake front. It says lake life on it. A couple of boats, some birds and turtles. I love the turtles. I always love using these stickers after I've laid out the regular boxes and such like that, because it really just makes the layout come to life. So this is the add-on for April's mystery kit. The full boxes, here is the first page of the standard kit. The first box has like a little boat with some swans and a paddle. Next, there is like a little like gift journal scene, and then a fashion girl in the boat on the lake, a white bicycle with florals in the basket, and this is kind of like a lake beach type scene where there's some pillows and an umbrella and a lake in the background. A sun hat with a bird on top of it that's foiled. A little like picnic scene over here with some croissants and berries, and then another close-up of the boat with some like cozy blankets and such, because you know sometimes it can be a little bit chilly when you're like out on the water, because the water makes the wind feel more cold, so very cozy. Next, we have the days of the week and the washi, so Monday through Sunday. In the washi, look how adorable those bows are in the blush. And then below that, there's the lake with some white flowers at the bottom springing up. This page has 2 more full boxes. Another fashion girl sitting on like the edge of a boat. And I love when you look at the background, you can see the water kind of like sparkling. And this is that lake life foil overlay with the lake in the background. Monday through Sunday box for tracking. Over here with this design of the flowers, there's little pieces that you can use as layerings. And we have our heart date dots for the month, weekend script, and some foiled layering pieces as well. I like how down here Dawn included the boat in those boxes. It all just ties together so well. This page is the scallop dividers, the bow dividers, the half scallop circles, and then thinner washi strips. Next, at the top we have flags, layering pieces, 3 bow checklist boxes, and then circles. I love using these boxes for specific things I need to get done for the day, and then I just check it off. It's very satisfying. Then this is the functional page where there are habit trackers in the middle, and then the rest of these boxes can be used as headers where you write in your own type of heading that you would like for your pages. This is the header and glitter header page. These headers have foiled script in it already to do today, this week work. And the bottom is the glitter. This is great for sectioning your pages. Over here, we have some Fashion Girl boxes and then some more just boxes over here. So we have her with some florals in her hair, looking outside the window, and then just a pattern box. And on this side, there are icons and script. So like family time, tasks, lazy day. Down here, up here, we have mail, dinner, a shoe for tracking steps maybe. And the last page is the deco page. I love, as always, to look at the different outfits that Dawn creates for the fashion girls. Like, look how cute this off-the-shoulder top is with the pink pants, or this dress over here that has the flowers on it with that blush color. And let's take a closer look. Look at the little animals. We have the turtle. We have, looks like a frog. And there's a lantern and more flowers, the boat, all that fun stuff. So this is the standard kit for April's mystery kit. Now I'm going to show you the decorative kit. So the decorative kit for the mystery kit, it also includes that bonus sheet here that I showed you from earlier. The first page has the same boxes that we saw on the standard kit, except for the boxes are shorter and not as wide. So it fits perfectly in the Hobonichi Cousin Planner Weekly section, but it also would look pretty well. It would work really well in smaller planners. So again, we have those same scenes that we saw from earlier, but over here there is a habit tracker for Monday through Sunday, which is nice. And the next page, we have that same page as well in the standard with the dates and the washi strips. And then next, we included the heart date dots, weekend script, some foiled overlays as well that are more journal-ishy, where we have some arrows, some banners, just some more of those pieces than there were on the standard kit. This page has the torn paper stickers, and it includes those scenes to make everything cohesive. The swans, the sun hat, the journal, and the bows. Down here, there are glitter headers and then rectangular boxes for writing in your own headers. A couple of bow dividers and half scallop circles. This is the same page as well that we saw from earlier, but the boxes are shorter and not as wide. This is a deco page, and the deco page for the journal mystery kit. The artwork is a lot bigger to more enhance, make it look journal-ishy. I love the big deco myself because you can really look at the details like the adorable turtle, the swan, the boat, the hat, all those cute deco pieces that really just tie everything together. And the last page is the regular deco page that we saw from earlier. So I recommend this kit if you have a Hobonichi Cousin planner, or if you have a smaller planner, or if you just like having more of the journal style stickers. Lastly, we're going to look at the decorative mystery kit. For the decorative mystery kit, the kit is on all washi sticker paper. We have, again, that bonus item that I showed on the first and second styled kit. The first page here is the box swatches. So the artwork that we saw from before, just different sticker paper, and the scenes are not in a straight edge box, it's in a torn edge style. And then we have another box swatch page where we have a bigger scene here with those swans again in a boat, 2 fashion girl swatches, a couple of little washi strips, and then an overlay. The next page is the mystery borders. So the bottom of these strips are straight and the top hugs the artwork. So it's kind of like a washi strip, but it's borders. And if you look closely, there's florals up here, and down here there is the boat and the lantern as a pattern. Then this page is the decorative page where there is the deco that we saw from earlier with the frogs, the turtles, the swans, the sun hat. This page is the next decorative page. There's the fashion girls, the boats, the sun hat, the water lily. Second to last page is the scripts and dates. So there's the Monday through Sunday for 2 weeks and a couple of other scripts to do meals, errands, appointments. And there's 2 different options for date dots for the colors. There's that blue and that blush pink. So you can kind of choose what colors you want. And finally, the last page is the terrible washi page. And I absolutely love the scene in the background. If you look closely, there is the lake with some like flowers floating on top of it, or maybe lily pads, and there are those plants that are shooting out with the I cannot think of the name of what it's called, but those like green plants with like the brown bulb at the end of it. So for the terrible washi page, you can go from the top since it's kind of perforated already, and you can tear the page in whatever shape you want. So this is the decorative mystery kit. I recommend this if you really like the feel and the look of the washi sticker paper, or if you like your stickers to look more freeform, where they look more torn rather than straight boxes. So that is the reveal for the mystery kit for April. If you missed out on April's, but you want to make sure to get next month's subscription, make sure to click the link below to subscribe on our website. Please let us know what you think of April's mystery kit. This is definitely like wonderful artwork to set, to set the vibe for the weather getting warmer and going outside and having like a fun lake day. If you want to stay updated with our shop, make sure to click the subscribe button below so that you can see our new releases, or you could also follow us on Instagram. I hope you all have a great rest of your month, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye, everyone.